Unity Day is typically held every year on either the third or fourth Wednesday of National Bullying Prevention Month in October. This year, it's held on October 19th. For years, our culture justified bullying with expressions such as bullying is a natural part of childhood, some kids just deserve to be bullied, or bullying is a rite of passage. The goal of the day is to bring together youth, parents, educators, businesses, and community members across the nation to emphasize the message that bullying is not acceptable and that all students deserve to be safe in school, online, and in the community. The call to action is simple. Wear and share the color orange as a visible representation of the supportive, universal message that our society wants to prevent bullying and is united for kindness, acceptance, and inclusion. Orange is used because it is the color of October. It represents warmth, it's also very inviting, and it shows safety and visibility. Everyone's involvement is important. This event goes beyond the school walls and into the community. Anyone can wear orange and share an image with an online post. For so long, those who were bullied felt that no one cared. The simple act of wearing orange shows them that they are not alone and will hopefully empower them to reach out.